Hello students, let us do another practice example on Huffman tree or building the Huffman tree. The probabilities given are, the probabilities given are 0.2, then 0.2, 0.15, 0.15, 0.1, 0.1, 0.05 and 0.05. So these are the messages and the probabilities. So I have not written the example, but you know the structure of the example. They give that the DMS signal, DMS source, that is discrete membryless source, is generating the messages with the probabilities like this, and build the Huffman tree. So I have not written that example. I have directly written the probabilities and arranged those probabilities in the descending order. So the probabilities are arranged in the descending order. Now we have to generate the codes for these probabilities. So the first step we have done already, that is arranging the probabilities in the descending order. Next step is we have to do the addition of lower two probabilities. So 0.05 and 0.05 is 0.1, and whenever you do the addition, assign 0 to the upper and 1 to the lower branch. Now 0.1, this is also 0.1, there 0.1. Now whenever you get the same number, so this is 0.1, 0.1 and 0.1. So these are same, but this 0.1 is not the original probability. This is the addition of two probabilities. So the addition, so this 0.1 you have to take upward than these two 0.1. After that you stretch these two 0.1s. Now do the addition of these two lower. So this is very important. If you take this 0.1 lower to these 0.1s, then your efficiency will not be higher. Your problem will not is not incorrect. I cannot say that your problem is incorrect or your solution is incorrect, but you will not get the higher higher efficiency. You know the coding efficiency, that is entropy divided by average code word length. We have already seen that. So you will not get the efficiency more. That's why always keep in mind that you have to take the addition upward than the lower than the probabilities, original probabilities, if those are similar. So 0.1, then this addition, whenever you do the addition, assign 0 and 1. So this addition is 0.2 and this is 0.1. Now observe the upper probabilities. So 0.2, here is 0.2. So this is addition out of addition. So take it upward. So take it upward. Okay. Now this is 0.1. After that this is 0.15. You have to stretch it forward because this 0.2 has gone upward. So we at this stage it is not of any use to do the addition. So 0.1, 0.15. Next this is 0.15. Now this 0.1 and 0.15. So that is 0.25. And this is 0.15. Now 0.25, 0.15. Okay, and stretch this 0.2 also, because why we are stretching this 0.2, because we are getting here 0.25. and 0.2 is less than 0.25. So you have to have the watch on the upper probabilities, otherwise your answer will be wrong. So if the upper probabilities are lower, you have to stretch it downward. So 0.2. Now this 0.25, now 0.25, 0.15, 0.2, 0.2, and this is also 0.2. Now in this you have to do the comparison. 0.25 is highest, so take it upward. Okay, now 0.15, 0.2, you can do the addition because upper two probabilities are 0.2, 0.2, so this is 0.35. So you got the addition, so assign 0 and 1. Now this is 0.35, then this is 0.2, this is 0.2, and this is 0.25. Okay, now 0.35, 0.2, 0.2, 0.25. So 0.35 you have to take upward, and this 0.2 and 0.2 you have to do the addition, that is 0.4. So whenever you do the addition, assign 0 and 1. So 0.4, 0.4, 0.35, and this is 0.25, this is 0.35. Now 0.4 is higher than these two, so this is 0.4, and this 0.35 and 0.25. 0.35 is higher, so it is upward, it's okay, no need to change, because the higher probability should be the upper branch, huh? So 0.35, 0.25 is 0.55, 55 na? No, 6, 0.6, 0.6, sorry, this is 0.6. Now this is 0 and 1. 0.6, ये पेज ख़त्म हो गया मेरा. This gap you should keep lower, huh? Then only you will get the code tree up to here. So 0.6, then 0.4. ठीक है. 0.6 should be upward, 0.4 should be lower, and this is 0 and 1. So 0.6 I have taken upward because higher, and 0.4 lower. So that is final addition is 1. Okay, so let us find the probabilities. So first we are doing rough work, you know this one, na? Rough. So 0.05, because we already discussed about this. 0.05, actually the probabilities, they you have to write the code from this side to this side, but I have already told that it is hard for me to stretch the path or track the path. It is easy for me to go from this to this side. So first I think we should go with the 0.2. 0.2, 0.2, 1. You have to see how many 0 and 1s are there. 1, then 1. So 1 1. Again point 2. 0 0 0. 0.15. If you have seen my previous 3 videos on Huffman tree on this channel, you can solve it on your own also, but this is just only for the practice. So I recommend you to see first these previous 3 problems. So 1, then 0, so 0.15 na? This 0.15. So 1 0 and 0. 1 0 0. Then 0.15. This 0.15. So here I have skipped to write 0 and 1. So this is 0 and 1. Huh? ये मिस हो गया शायद 2535. This is 0.6. This is 0.4. ठीक. So 0.15 this one. Second one. 0 1 0 0 1 0. 0.1 is 0 0 0 1. Then 0.1 1 0 1 1 0 1. 0.05 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0. Then 0.05 1 1 1 0. Now correct code is 1 1 0 0 0. You have to start from this. So 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0. Then 0 1 1 1. Okay, 0, then first write 0, then write this. So this is the correct code. Okay, so if you go from this side to this side, you will get this code. We are going from this side to this side, that's why we are getting this one. But in books it is recommended that you should go from this side to this side. So this is the correct code. Here I think you got somewhat confused, but if you have seen the previous videos, it will be easier. You can solve it yourself. This is 0.35, 0.25. This 0.35 and 0.25 is 0 and 1, 0.6. Now this 0.6 I have taken upward. because point that is higher, and this point 4 I have taken lower, this lower, and for upper branch I have written 0 and 1. So this is the fourth problem on Huffman tree. So if you are liking these videos, kindly do consider subscribing to the channel, and if you like this video, give a thumbs up to it. So if you have any query, write it in the comment box. I would be very happy to solve it. So thank you very much.